Do you remember Aladdin and his magic lamp? The genie that came out of the lamp was ready to give any 3 wishes to him. What if I am telling you there is a 3-digit number that can make any of your dream come true? Any vehicle that you want to drive, BMW, Mercedes, Hayabusa, sports bike, any dream destination, Switzerland, US, UK, Austria, or your dream property, a seaside bungalow or a home on a hillside, whatsoever it may be. This 3-digit can make your dream come true. Want to know more? Let's understand in this video. Hi, I am Nirmal and you're watching the knowledge series of Fincash.com. Are you ready? Here we go on your screen in 3, 2, 1. No, we are not talking about gambling or any Ponzi schemes which will double your amount in a month or so.
25 दिन में पैसा डबल 25 दिन में पैसा डबल
We are talking about a legitimate 3-digit number that will influence the first gadget that you are buying, the first dream trip, a date with your girlfriend, marriage, honeymoon, your children's birth, their birthday, their education, and even their marriage. Your 80th birthday, this 3-digit will stay with you till your grave. The 3-digit number that I am talking about is credit score. The rating given to you by the banks and financial institution on the basis of how you are maintaining your records after first credit card or a loan. Hearing the term credit score for the first time? Maybe you have heard CIBIL score. So what is the difference between CIBIL score and credit score? It is the same as a Bisleri and a bottle of water, Maggie and the noodles, Maruti and the car. If you are going to a shop and ask for a bottle of Bisleri, they will give a mineral water because it is the oldest brand in India. They are the one who introduced mineral water, a household name every Indian knows, like a ready-made noodle that is Maggie or a car that is Maruti in India. So what is the difference between CIBIL score and credit score? It is one and the same. First credit rating agency in India, TransUnion CIBIL, is a US-based company which started its operations in India in 2004. So who are credit rating agencies? Credit rating agencies are the companies who keep a tab of every single loan you have taken, including pay later in a wallet like Amazon, Flipkart, or other apps. Other credit rating agencies in India are Experian, CRIF, and Equifax. They started their operations after 2009, 2010, and 2011. How are they getting this data? RBI, Reserve Bank of India, have mandated every single financial institution, whether it is a bank or an NBFC, to update every month about whether you have repaid the loan or not. What is your outstanding loan to these credit rating agencies? What is the importance of credit score? You remember the time when you reached a new city? Imagine a scenario. You need 5,000 rupees. No parents, no relatives nearby. You think your new neighbor will lend you the money? Chances are no. No one knows you. But what if you are interacting with the person regularly? You have created a relationship. They trust you. They know that you will repay. You have the means to repay and you have done it in the past. Same logic applies for credit score. It represents your past performance. Whether you are eligible for a loan or not. Have you paid your past loan in time or not? Longer the relationship, larger the loans that you can avail. If your payment cycles has been stable, what is the range of credit score? The credit score can be anywhere between 300 to 900. 300 being the minimum, 900 being the maximum. Higher your CIBIL score, 99% you will get the best credit card and loan offers. Every single bank offers have a range. The higher your CIBIL score, lower the rate of interest. If you have a score anywhere between 300 to 700, you may have less chances to get a loan or a credit card because lower the score shows that you may have missed repaying the loan in past. And remember, the amount doesn't matter. We have a colleague who didn't pay 49 rupees in Paytm wallet and that impacted her credit score. What are the factors that will impact the credit score? Multiple factors impact the report, but unlike other apps, the rating is not given by human beings in credit score. The more you try to get a credit card or the loan, it will reflect in your credit report. The more you change your correspondence address, email ID or mobile number, it will also reflect in your report. Overspending above your limit can adversely affect your credit score. That is, if you have a limit of 50,000 across 3 cards and if you are spending above it, you will not only have to pay a over limit charge to the bank, but it may reduce your credit score. The most important factor are the red dots and the green dots. The dots represents whether you have paid your loan or credit card or not. If you have paid, it will be a green dot or a yes. If you have not paid, it is a red dot or a no. More the green dots, better the score. But red dot is a danger. It may take up to 8 years for a red dot to disappear from your report. So you may be a fan of red dot sale.
बात तो सही है.
Longer the dot stays, the shorter the loans and the credit cards you may get.
मैं सचमुच चला जाऊंगा.
चल 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 चल.
मैं जा रहा हूँ.
अरे तू जा रही.
मैं नहीं जाऊंगा.
How can we improve the credit scores? Take as less loan as possible. Make sure that you use the loans or the credit cards only for an important purpose. Like medical emergency. Don't buy a gadget just because you are getting an EMI. Instead, use the 30-day rule. Wait for 30 days before buying your favorite gadget. After 30 days, if you think you should buy it, it's important, go ahead and buy, or else you saved an EMI. Always utilize only 40% of your credit limit, or maybe lesser. Do not fall for EMI schemes, because if you are missing out on one single EMI, the interest rates on credit card can be as humongous as 48%. Every time salaries are coming in, keep your EMIs aside to avoid defaulting on any of the EMIs. Your financial journey is alone and only you. Not your parents, not your spouse, siblings, none. Your PAN card, your own financial spends is what decides the credit score. So if you really want to fulfill every single dream, any vehicle that you want to drive, BMW, Mercedes, Hayabusa, sports bike, any dream destination, Switzerland, US, UK, Austria, or your dream property, a seaside bungalow or a home on a hillside, please make sure that you have a good credit score. It is your money, invest smartly. Consider subscribing to our channel for such knowledgeable content. Check your free credit score from the links in the description and please don't forget to like and comment.